The Hammer C331 is one of the most popular combination machines from the Felder group, offering professional planing and thicknessing, moulding, sawing, and as an option mortising, all with incredible precision and the smallest of space requirements. The surface planer has a solid cast iron table for consistently accurate results that has a length of 1,400mm and a planing width of 310mm. The anodized planer fence allows for smooth processing of workpieces and can be tilted from 90 to 45 degrees. In its standard form, the C331 features a 3-knife quick-change cutter block, whose self-setting system and double-edged blades allow changes to be made in a matter of minutes, without the need for expensive adjustment tools to be purchased. As an option, the C331 can be specified with the award-winning Silent Power Spiral Cutter Block, which is exclusive to planers and thicknessers from the Felder group, and features a spiral array of 4-sided tungsten carbide knives, which provide a continuous pulling cut for tear-free results on all types of wood. Each planer knife is numbered and can be turned when required to access a fresh cutting edge, extending the overall blade life by up to 20 times versus the HSS hammer planer blades. The cost savings continue, as only the blunt or damaged knives are changed when required. On top of this, noise emissions are reduced by as much as half, making it perfect for users in residential areas. Converting the C331 from planer to thicknesser takes seconds, thanks to the dual lifting planer tables and ergonomically designed extraction hood. The thicknesser has a cutting height from 4 to 225mm that is adjusted using the hand wheel and adjacent guide rule. For added convenience and accuracy, the hand wheel can be upgraded to include an integrated digital dial indicator, making fine adjustments of 1/10 of a millimeter quick and easy to carry out. At the front side of the C331 is the sliding table, spindle moulder and saw unit. The main saw blade accommodates diameters between 250 and 315mm with a saw unit speed of 4,800 RPM. The saw blade has a maximum cutting height of 103mm and can be angled using the hand wheel to any position between 90 and 45 degrees. The C331 can be further tailored to your requirements with the options of Dado Tool in preparation for slots and grooves and a mechanical scoring unit for laminate processing. The tiltable planer fence is easily repositioned to double as the saw's rip fence and offers a continuously adjustable rip capacity from 0 to 600mm. By retracting the saw blade within the machine, you gain access to the spindle molding capability, with the 30mm spindle with a 100mm usable height coming as standard and a range of additional spindles at different sizes available when you upgrade to the interchangeable MF spindle system. The belt speed can be adjusted via the hatch in the side of the machine to change between 4 different speeds from 3,000 to 10,000 RPM. The standard spindle fence is easily fitted and removed and provides a maximum tooling diameter of 220mm above the table and 180mm below. Optionally, the multi-adjustment system also features pin locating of the fence with measurement scales. Adjustment of the outfeed fence is between -5 and 25mm, and efficient dust extraction with a 120mm port ensures your workspace remains dust-free. Operating both the saw and spindle moulder units is made easy and precise using the anodized format sliding table, which comes as standard at 800mm and can be extended up to 2,000 and 2,500mm by opting for the Comfort and Perform packages respectively. Doing this will also add a 1,100 or 1,250mm outrigger that provides excellent support for processing larger workpieces, with a number of cross-cut fence additions and a precision miter guide index available to expand the versatility of the machine. The Hammer C331 also has the option of a horizontal mortising unit, which is mounted on the planer side and allows the user to produce tenon joints for a variety of purposes. As with all hammer machines, the C331 can be fitted with a rolling carriage for enhanced maneuverability and is available with both single-phase and 3-phase power options, with the latter fitted as standard. The motor produces a 4 horsepower output and allows forward and reverse run. If space is an issue, the Hammer C331 could be the solution you've been looking for. This compact yet powerful combination machine packs professional performance and versatility into the smallest of footprints, with all the outstanding quality you'd expect from the Felder group. To find out more about how the Hammer C331 could revolutionize your workshop, visit felder-group.co.uk.